Everybody, and welcome back to the Chateau. And if you remember rightly, I have previously set myself a bit of an impossible task, but an important one all the same, which is to try to clear the entire Chateau out and start again. Treat it like I have just moved in, which will obviously not only help clear the mind, but also be able to give me fresh ideas, new ideas, because it is fresh. I'm treating it as fresh. So, lots of impossible tasks to do. And first up, and that task in furthering the clear out, the spring clean, the knowing what we have to deal with, and making everything pretty and easy to look after, well, today is the chapel. Because what I want to be able to do is get the various small and some big event items, which are safely stored in the corner of this place, gone out the way to the other storage, where everything can be worked on for the winter and fixed. And it also then means that this can be swept out, cleaned up, and just come to look after it. So I have been wanting to clear the chapel out for many, many reasons. The odds and ends that were in there are all for the events. And to be honest, while the event stuff is here on site where the event will take place, you might think that makes life much easier. It doesn't, because very last minute, everything is found, put up, things are broken from the year before, they were put away, broken, people didn't notice, all those sorts of things. When it has to go and live somewhere else, apart from my home not being cluttered with all sorts of things which are for one thing a year, when I have storage elsewhere, the place I store everything is got all my tools. It's the workshop. It's got everything there that I need, which means we will look at all of the stuff much earlier, fix everything, and be in a much better position for the event, have much nicer things, because things will get done and remembered in advance. I mean, the amount of times we forget signs for things, we're doing them on the day, is outrageous when I've always got stuff there to do it. But mostly I will be able to have my home back. So let me show you inside of the chapel. Right. How's that? This is a beautiful little chapel, which sadly needs a little bit of work, not full restoration, despite what you're looking at. The reality is that the walls over there will always wick water up. There's no damp-proof course. There's some issues, because it literally goes right to the moats, this does. So that wall there is right out to here, you see? It's literally down to there. So that does need a little bit of work. But as a whole, it's not insurmountable. Not insurmountable. And it's pretty good other than that, you know? It's very, 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 very cool roof. Obviously, it gets a bit of airflow. And got all sorts of I'm gonna come and clean this lot out and make sure we can read all the rest of it another day, but I'm just interested to see what we've got while I'm here, just showing you. It's I don't even know how the birds get in, honestly. No matter what, there's always a bird's nest somewhere. You know, every year there's a fresh one. But there is. Yeah. It's a pretty thing. There we go. Wheels are on. Paint's dry. Yeah. Come on. Let's go to the chateau and get used. Whee. Whee. But fits in the doors. That's always a good start. Whee. Much bigger and yes, exactly what I wanted. Oh, this is actually very easy to pull. Now, here we go. This. There. Oh, that'll do nicely. Then there's also my fire gloves. Ding. Nice. Perfect. It's actually, especially with all that weight on it, really easy to manoeuvre. Because of its height, it's at the right height for, you know, your hands and stuff, which is good. And there's a decent amount of wood in that now, so when I go to the wood pile and get a big wheelbarrow full of it, you can wheel the separate ones of these. I've now got two, one for in whichever room I'm using the most that day, and a small one for another one. Might have to make another one, of course. I can just fill up at the back door and then wheel these to the right places. Other thing is, if I'm not going to be in this room, but I've got a pile of wood in here, I can wheel that to the room I'm going to be in. So I am very happy, and it means I don't have to keep on running out through the course of the evening. So, do you know what? What a fantastic day. I've got something really, really important done. So it's been productive. The chapel's empty. It's ready to get swept out, cleaned up, and a list of jobs to keep it standing that are in order of urgency. And I've got to use my little log trolley dolly thing. So, you know, it's working fantastically well, because rather than having to go outside repeatedly, I'm still going through what I've got on there. So, perfect day. So hopefully it'll be just as productive tomorrow. So thanks for watching. See you next time.